Hi class, Matt, your COMM115 instructor here. It's hard to believe that we have already hit the midway point of the class as we are entering week 4. Now, I know this is a holiday week, and because this is an online class, there's no real requirements in terms of which days specifically you have to be online. Now, that said, remember the assignment requirements and discussion board requirements do not change with the holiday. You're still required to be active in posting at least 3 days every week and respond to at least 3 classmate initial posts, including this week. So plan your week accordingly. If you don't want to do classwork on Thursday and Friday, I get that. I don't want to either. And it's completely fine. Just remember, you still have to get your 3 days of posting in, and all assignments are still due by 11:59 p.m. Eastern on Saturday. Now, that said, this week is all about academic integrity. Now, last week we discussed citing sources for your work, and this extends beyond just your regular research paper that you might have for class on occasion. Now, speeches, notes, work-related documents have a need for sourcing if you use outside material. If you don't cite your sources, it can bring up questions of plagiarism. This is basically the act of copying someone else's material and not giving them credit. Basically, it's passing off someone else's work as your own, and it's not right. It's taken very seriously in academic sectors, but employers are now also on the lookout for those who plagiarize. Now, as a former journalist and one who's also written academic papers, I am very familiar with plagiarism, and more specifically, being plagiarized, meaning my work has been copied and passed off as someone else's. It's not a good feeling when you do hours and hours and hours of research and writing and rewriting and more research and more writing, only to have someone else take your final product and try to pass it off as their own. It's not a good feeling to be on that end of it. So, needless to say, I do take plagiarism very seriously, not just in my teaching, but also in my 9-to-5 job. Now, be sure to watch or read this week's lecture on academic integrity and take the message to heart. It's meant to help you along your academic journey, because you're going to have to write research papers, you're going to have to give speeches, you're going to have to learn how to do all these things, and you're going to have to learn how to use to cite your sources. If you don't do it, it creates a problem. So this is just a way to help teach you the benefit of doing that now. Now, you'll use this week's lecture to guide you through the week's assignments. In the discussion board, you're going to be put in a situation where a friend is asking you to share your portfolio project, and you're going to create a response answering some questions that are prompted in the discussion board link to your friend as your initial post. There's also a plagiarism and academic integrity assessment. There's a link to week 4 in this. Make sure you do read the directions and pay particular attention to the rubric to complete it. And then you've got a midterm exam. I know it's a holiday week, you have a midterm exam. I get it. I don't make the schedules, just how it is. You're going to reflect back on what you've learned in the class so far. There's 8 true and false, 10 multiple choice, and 2 short answer questions. So 20 questions in all. Remember, this exam is going to make up 10% of your overall grade. So make sure you answer every question the best you can. And don't leave this one hanging, because 10% is the difference between an A and a B, or a D and an F. That's all I have for this week. I do want to make sure you all have a very happy holiday, happy Thanksgiving. If you're going to go out shopping on Friday, be careful. If you're not, that's probably best, but it does happen. And I will see you all in discussion.